In the glowing maze of night markets, a curious traveler named Lira traces sizzling aromas from 4 continents, chasing stories untold. She samples Lago Suya, Hanoi banh mi, Oaxaca street corn, and Helsinki fish pastry, chasing each stall's secret glow. Each bite reveals a story: family pride, migrations of flavor, and the quiet science of heat and smoke. By dawn, Lira maps a dream route that links markets through memory rather than distance. The journey ends not with a recipe, but with a promise to keep chasing flavors still unseen.